Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. I am glad you are here today. Let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Alrighty. Best part of the day. Oh no. Let's see.
A green and white, 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 a green and white. One's off for school, the greatest school. 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 In East Brunswick, in New Jersey, there is one stop for school. We show kindness to everyone to make our future bright. A green and white, 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 a green and white. Teachers, staff, and parents too help make our future bright. Fine upstanders who set examples help make our future bright. One's up for school, the greatest school. One's up for school, the greatest school. One's up for school, the greatest school. One's up for school, the greatest school.
Nice job. Okay, let's take a look at today's plan. You've been doing an awesome job on all of your work. So remember to, first thing you should be doing is watching our morning meeting video, which you're doing if you've gotten to this point, because it includes some important information about our day's assignments. And then make sure you do the daily check-in. You guys are doing a really nice job with that. That way we can take attendance. And as always, you can feel free to check out our class Flipgrid. So let's take a look at what's due today. You'll watch my video, which will explain to you how to do the box office assignment that you need to know for today. And then you'll do box office day 3 today. Then for language arts, you'll watch Miss Weisbrod's video. It'll be fun to hear her voice. And she's going to tell you a little bit about subtopics and model how to fill out the Research Club Organizer subtopics here. So today you are going to complete your Research Club Organizer, but only the subtopics, okay? So you're only filling in the subtopics here. Once you click this, it will take you to a Google Doc that it will have everything filled out for you. So it's Animal Research Graphic Organizer, and then you can click on it, and on Wednesday you're only filling in the subtopics for your animal. So you're only filling in these subtopics, and then on Thursday you will fill in the bullets. So today you only have to do the subtopics for your animal. Make sure you put your animal at the top, and make sure, I'm not sure if this is automatically shared with me, but if it is not, please share it with me. And remember, you are only doing the subtopics, okay? Try to come up with about 4 from a book on your animal from Epic, okay? And then you still have to listen to Winn-Dixie by Friday if you haven't done so already. And then for your May-Dos, remember you have all of these options to work on. Today's virtual field trip is to the Amazon rainforest, which is a fun one. So make sure that if you are interested in doing any of these, that you are more than welcome to do any of them to either challenge yourself or pass the time, okay? So that's our plan for the day. And just a reminder to make a Google Doc card for a doctor or nurse. A lot of you have already done so. They are due Friday. They're turning out really nice and colorful. They're definitely making me happy, so I'm sure they'll make all the doctors, nurses, custodians, anyone who works in a hospital happy as well. And then Ronan is still the only person who did the inventor scavenger hunt. So if you're feeling bored, this is a good idea to work your mind, find some things around the house that you can use to invent things, and it's just fun to see you guys and what you find on your Flipgrids, okay? So I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!